Happy Saturday and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to just do some things around the home and get ready for fall on the outside. So stay tuned as I spruce up my kitchen and I make my entryway a little bit more fall vibed. Stay tuned.
Black mamas on a bag of heads. And I take pride in my creative process, but sometimes it's just so easy. Oh, I wonder if my daddy would like this one. You see, I've been trying to get my creative energy flowing. I've been trying to get my creative energy flowing on my own. I've been trying to get my creative energy flowing. I've been trying to get my creative energy flowing on my own. And I've been painting my kitchen cabinets. And I've been painting my kitchen cabinets. And I've been painting my kitchen cabinets. I've been painting my kitchen cabinets while I'm listening to my music. And I've been painting my kitchen cabinets. I've been painting my kitchen cabinets while I'm listening to my music.
Time for a reset. The breeze is here. I'm vibing with the moon in the lawn chair. Orange in the trees, that's my forecast. So I guess I need a sweatshirt for that. And we chill for the winter. Got me cool. Collected all my problems in the summer. And we chill for the winter. I know, it's coming up, it's coming up. I know, it's coming up, it's coming up. All of my holidays are coming up, coming up. All of my holidays are coming up, coming up. Yeah. Flicker, flicker, falling faster. Sooner or later they all fade away. There's no disaster. Pumpkin spice candles lit for days. Leaves change like lovers. You see the others run away. Cuffing season leaves you smothered. Still you need another. No use in fighting it. No breeze invites you in. Just open your window and breathe in a brisk air. Welcome to fall. Welcome to fall. Welcome to fall. Welcome to fall. Think of all the things you'll miss. Yeah. Flannel blankets, cuddling, cooking, crackling firewood, the way your body glistens. You hear that whispering, all that you've been resisting. No use in fighting it, no use in fighting it. The breeze invites you in, the breeze invites you in. Just open your window and breathe in a brisk air. Welcome to fall. Welcome to fall.